Okay, welcome, and a special welcome if you're an L&D manager tuning in. This is a focused briefing, really, just for you.
Yeah, we're diving into a pretty powerful AI technique today, something that could genuinely change how you build and refine your custom learning tech.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Our goal here is to get you the key insights fast, what it is, why it matters for your work.
And the topic is active learning in AI.
Active learning. Okay, sounds...
Yeah.
Well, active, what's the core idea here?
Well, think of it like this. Instead of needing, a massive pile of perfectly labeled data right from the start, an AI using active learning is much more strategic about it.
Strategic how?
It actually selects the specific bits of data it's struggling with, the things it needs help understanding.
So it knows what it doesn't know.
Pretty much. It's like a really focused student who pinpoints exactly what questions to ask the teacher.
Okay, so it flags these points of confusion. Then what? How does it get the answer?
Right. It usually looks for cases where its confidence is low, where it's really uncertain about the right label or answer. When it finds one of those tricky data points, it basically flags it and asks a human expert.
Which could be you, the L&D manager, or someone on your team.
Exactly. Asks the human expert to provide the correct label, but just for that specific confusing instance.
Ah, I get it. So the human expertise is still absolutely vital, but it's targeted, applied only where the AI is genuinely stuck.
Casely. And the main goal here is efficiency. Big time.
Efficiency, always good.
Yeah. By focusing the human labeling effort only on those most informative, uncertain points, you can often get the AI performing really well with way, way less labeled data than you'd normally need.
Okay, that sounds huge. Because we all know data prep, especially labeling specialized L&D content, can be a massive headache.
It's often the biggest bottleneck, right? So this saves effort, speeds things up.
And keeps that crucial human insight in the loop, but smartly. Not just grunt work labeling things the AI already gets.
Right. And this isn't just theory. If you're managing L&D tech development, this approach really tackles common problems.
So let's talk practical applications. Where does this actually make a difference in L&D right now? Like custom text classifiers.
That's a great example. Imagine you want an AI to sort through learner feedback, maybe find urgent issues, common themes, sentiment.
Yep.
Normally, you'd need someone to manually label thousands of messages for every category. It's a lot. With active learning, the AI reads the feedback, flags the ones it's unsure about, maybe the tone is weird or it covers multiple topics, and then it just asks you or your expert to label those few tricky ones. The model learns much faster from those specific examples, less manual slog.
That makes perfect sense. Okay, what about evaluating, say, open-ended answers in quizzes or simulations? Those can be really nuanced.
Yeah, another prime use case, the AI might be fine with clearly right or wrong answers, but those borderline responses, the ones with specific jargon or maybe just phrased unusually.
The ones that take a real thought to assess.
Exactly. When the AI hits one of those and isn't confident in its score, it can query the human. You label those borderline cases and boom, the model quickly gets much better at handling the complex real-world answers that are often the hardest part.
So you're laser focusing the training on the ambiguity, the edge cases where human judgment is most valuable.
You got it. And you can see how this applies elsewhere too, right? Improving personalized content recommendations.
Yeah, like if the AI suggests some content and isn't sure if it's truly relevant for this learner's specific need.
It could ask for feedback on its less confident recommendations or for role play bots.
Oh yeah, making them more realistic.
Right. The AI might generate a response in a scenario, but be uncertain if it's truly appropriate or human-like. It flags it, asks for expert input on just that interaction. It learns faster how to handle those nuances.
Okay, so wrapping this up then. Whether it's understanding learner comments, grading complex answers, tailoring recommendations, or building better practice bots, active learning seems like a really practical way to iterate and improve these AI models more effectively.
And crucially, with less of that intensive manual labeling effort up front.
Yeah.
The main takeaway for L&D teams, especially if you're dealing with unique or limited data, is pretty simple. Label less, but help the AI learn smarter.
Label less, learn smarter. I like that.
It focuses your invaluable human expertise right where the AI needs it most. It accelerates getting those custom tools working well.
It really does. And, it leaves you with a thought, doesn't it? How could using this more widely change the very nature of how humans train AI, moving away from just mass labeling?
Towards a more interactive teaching role,
Yeah.
guiding the AI through its confusion.
Exactly. Focusing that unique human ability to clarify ambiguity directly where the machine is asking for help. Definitely something to chew on as you plan your AI initiatives in L&D.